Hello friends, my name is Dr. Shweta Goyal and you are watching the Engineering Master, the finest way to learn the concept of physics and electrical. So here vacancy in UKPSC upper PCS. Okay, so there are 2,224 vacancy. Okay, the date published in 10 August 2021 and last date is 30th August 2021. So be hurry. So there is a job for deputy superintendent, transport officer, assistant director, manager, district supply officer, block development officer, assistant labor commission, deputy education officer, district tourism development officer, and food processing officer, mushroom development officer, statistical officer, information officer, transportation tax officer. Okay, please watch this video till the last. You will able to get all the knowledge about this upper PCS. Okay, so education qualification: BA, BSc, BCom, graduation, MSc, postgraduate. Recruitment by UKPSC, last date is 30th August. And then UKPSC Haridwar has released advertisement for the recruitment under the combined civil upper subordinate service, upper PCS जिसे कहते हैं, in various department. UKPSC is going to be conduct combined state civil upper subordinate service examination 2021. Candidate can apply before 30th August 2021. Okay, so there are 2,224 posts that we have discussed. Now this is the detailed information of posts. You can go to the website or from the description box and check whether there is a number of posts. Okay, so salary will be 56,000 to 1,77,000 around for all the posts. That will be the same. And yes, the recruitment education qualification: deputy superintendent, DSP, candidate should graduate from recognized university. Okay, and the finance officer graduate. Okay, assistant divisional transport officer graduate, assistant director udyog manager mini small medium industry development, that should also be graduate, district officer graduate, subdivision marketing officer graduate, and knowledge of Hindi Devanagari lipi. Okay, block development officer graduate, assistant director graduate, assistant labor law, welfare, labor law, social work, business management from recognized university. Okay, assistant director factory graduate in mechanical electrical from the recognized university, assistant sugarcane so graduate from agriculture, and deputy education officer, staff officer, primary secondary education director, law officer, candidate should be postgraduate from the recognized university. MSc geology with specialization for assistant director fishers livestock development. Okay, now assistant director Sanskrit education, acharya with B.Ed in Shiksha Shastri. District tourism development officer graduate tourism hotel management and hotel knowledge of Hindi. Public officer tourism department mass communication and knowledge of Hindi English. Assistant director candidate should have graduate from the recognized university. Assistant director mathematical statics agriculture static postgraduate. Assistant director agriculture graduate agriculture engineering department. Assistant director chemical branch postgraduate in agriculture chemistry soil science soil conservation. And then the food processing diploma in food processing, then development officer. Okay, so graduate in agriculture. Now statistical officer, maths graduation, information officer graduate from the graduate and 1 year diploma in journalism. Transporter officer graduate from the recognized university Hindi Devanagari lipi knowledge. Child development officer candidate should have sociology, social work and sociology home science from recognized university. Age limit is 21 to 42 years. Selection process will be through the pre-examination, main examination and interview. Exam pattern: primary examination will be the objective type, general studies and aptitude, total 300 marks, time 2 hours, and number of question is 150 and 100. Main examination: language, history, social, Indian policy, political science, international relation, word development, technology, ethics. Interview will be 200 marks. Okay, candidate can apply through the UKPSC official website below before 30th August 2021. General fee for general candidate is 150, OBC SC/ST candidate will be 60, EWS 150, PH and orphan candidate will be nil. Okay, so here starting date is 10th August and online application, and last date of 30th August 2021. Okay, so you can go to the description box for the link. Please subscribe and share this channel for more videos. Thank you, good day and take care.